Kidneys are the essential excretory organs in the human body as they are responsible for the removal of waste products from the body in the form of urine. Then how liver supports the excretory role of kidneys in the removal of these waste products. Liver is a large complex organ in the human body located in the abdomen under the diaphragm. Welcome to my Science Academy. Today in Biology 12 class, we will discuss the role of liver as excretory organ. Kidneys are the primary excretory organs responsible for filtering and excreting waste through urine, while liver plays a crucial role in the excretory system by participating in the elimination of waste products and toxins from the body. It is called the central station of metabolism because of various metabolic functions like maintain blood glucose level, fat metabolism, ammonia metabolism, produce bile, and breakdown of old or damaged blood cells. Various other functions of liver can be seen in this diagram, which we will discuss further in this topic under the heading of functions of liver. It is also called the central metabolic clearinghouse, as the liver detoxifies various harmful substances, including drugs, alcohol, and toxins. To detoxify the harmful effects of these drugs or chemical poisons, the detoxification process in liver involves a series of chemical reactions that converts these substances into less toxic or more easily excretable forms. Liver supports the excretory role for kidney by detoxifying many chemical poisons and production of ammonia, urea, and uric acid from the nitrogen of amino acids. Among these, urea is the principal excretory product that is produced in the liver through urea cycle. That is, the metabolic pathway involves in the production of urea. Let us understand this urea cycle step by step. That starts with the presence of already available precursor ornithine that combines with the ammonia and carbon dioxide and gives citrulline. Then second ammonia combines with this citrulline to give argininosuccinate that produce arginine. This arginine with the help of arginase split into urea and another ornithine for the next cycle. Let us start the metabolic role or homeostatic functions of liver. Liver performs a lot of functions. Number 1, synthesis. Number 2, storage. Number 3, conversion. Number 4, recycling. And number 5, detoxification, which are further subdivided into further functions like synthesis of nitrogenous base, ammonia, urea, and uric acid. And what is their effect on homeostasis? They support the kidney in waste disposal. There also occurs the synthesis of plasma proteins like prothrombin, fibrinogen, and albumin. And how they affect on homeostasis? They are responsible for blood clotting. That can be understood with the help of this example. For example, when there occurs the injury in a blood vessel or there occurs cut on your skin that release the clotting factors in the form of prothrombin, thrombin, or fibrinogen. These blood clotting proteins results in the formation of a platelet plug, and finally there occurs the development of clot. These blood clotting proteins are also responsible for osmotic balance of blood by maintaining the level of glucose in the blood. And the function is the synthesis of bile. Bile is a greenish yellow fluid that is stored in the gallbladder. Here in this diagram, gallbladder can be seen. The liver synthesizes this bile that is stored in the gallbladder, and finally it is secreted into the small intestine. With the help of a common bile duct, this bile is sent to the small intestine where it helps in the digestion of fats. What is its effects on homeostasis? It emulsifies fat in small intestine, where it means that large molecules of fats are broken down into small molecules. Another function is the synthesis of lipids, cholesterol, and lipoproteins, and how they affect on homeostasis. They store energy. They also help to maintain cell membrane. Here in this diagram, the structure of a cell membrane can be seen where there is present phospholipid bilayer. It means that the lipids are important part of the cell membrane in making their structures. They also regulate the blood chemistry. Second function of liver is the storage of iron. How it affects on homeostasis, oxygenation of tissues as constituents of hemoglobin. In this diagram, the molecule of hemoglobin can be seen with the red blood cell that is an iron containing proteins, and it is responsible for carrying oxygen from lungs to the tissues. Another storage function of the liver is the storage of glycogen, that is a stored form of glucose. How it affects on homeostasis? It acts as energy reserves that can be understood through this diagram, where it seems that when there is excess glucose in the blood, it is stored in the liver in form of glycogen that can be converted again to the glucose when it is required. Third function is the conversion, glucose to glycogen, lactic acid to glycogen, or glycogen back to the glucose. The interconversion of these sugars can be seen in this diagram when there is a requirement for energy in case of any physical activity. So these sugars can be interconverted to fulfill the energy requirement of the muscle or the body. So how they affect on homeostasis, energy storage and use. The fourth function is the recycling of the contents of old red bloods, iron, and other constituents of hemoglobin. And how they affects on homeostasis, oxygenation of tissues. Number 5 is the detoxification of many harmful substances like drugs, food additives, pesticides, In how they affects on homeostasis, they assist kidney in toxin disposals.